here's one of the keychains I've been working on. If you've been following my channel and my community notes, you know that I've been so excited about supplies coming in so I can make these keychains. I actually made one very similar to this. I'll play the clip right now. I had to quickly film a clip of it because my friend bought it off me. My friend was over this weekend and she liked it, so she bought it off me. The other one I made that was similar to this, so I thought that was pretty funny. But to me, that's a good sign that I guess what I'm making people are gonna like, you know? So, see some other ones that I've made. Here's another one that I made recently, very cute. Got this Hello Kitty princess at the top and then these stars, and I thought that one was cute. That said girl power, and I kind of paired these yellow stars with them because it's kind of in the this bead, and then, you know, kind of matches the yellow of her thing. So I thought that would be cute to make. Very, very cute. So you guys see why I'm so excited about these beads. I've been obsessed, y'all, with these acrylic focal beads. They're just so much fun. Oh my God, just all the things you can do with them. Here's one that I made early in my keychain journey. I was waiting for all my other better stuff to come in, so I kind of made this. Thought this was kind of cute. I got this in like a little, I'll upload the video soon if it's not already up by the time I upload this one, but I got a giant bag of Hello Kitty beads, just a random mix, and I kind of made, it was really fun picking out different combinations to make with it, but I kind of put all the purple ones together. So I got this little Hello Kitty, these little, I don't know if those are crosses or just supposed to be like just cross signs or whatever. Little Hello Kitty mushroom, very random, but very cute. The little star and a little cute little purple house. I thought that was cute together. But like I said, when I made that one, I didn't have much to work with. Stuff for these hadn't came in yet, so I was very limited in what I can make. So I was kind of just making, you know, what I could, y'all, with what I had, because I was just so excited to get started. This one was really cute. I'm not usually a fan of like designer beads like the Gucci. I think this says Gucci and it has like a, you know, deer fauna kind of theme to it. I usually don't care about Gucci or, you know, Louis Vuitton and all that stuff, but I thought this was so pretty though. You can't deny that the design on this is so pretty. Just the deer and the colors and the plants. This was so pretty. And the little, I absolutely love that. And the little backpack. How adorable is that? It's a little backpack. It just, I thought it was so cute. This was one of the ones I made when I was being impatient about supplies, and I do feel like it could be even better if I had what I have now, but you know, I'm trying not to stress about it. This is just for fun, so it doesn't really matter. So these ones that I am showing you in this video, they are ones, I'm gonna say that these are not my best works. These are the ones that I made when most of these are ones I made when I was impatient, waiting on supplies, y'all. So these two are post when I got most of my stuff, but all these other ones are ones that I made while I was waiting, y'all. So if you're not that impressed, just wait. Just wait, I got more stuff coming. So I thought this one would be cute. I really love this little wiener dog. I thought it was absolutely adorable. Kind of struggled on what to do with him. Eventually settled on one of these little, I don't know, I call them SpongeBob flowers to go with it. It's a little extra dangle. So kind of a two-piece keychain, very cute, very simple. They got these adorable, cute pink cat ones. Again, using what I had because I was too excited. I thought these were so cute, these little cats. So that's what I made with this one. Some circles and little peach hearts, very cute. There's also a chocolate one, which would be this one. How cute is that? And there's also a black cat, and I gave little flowers with that one. Very simple, but I still think they're pretty cute. I absolutely want to put all these on my bag and make it like a Neapolitan and have them all together. How cute would that be? I just might do that. Some of these is going to be so hard to let go. And last but not least, a little yellow / blonde kitty cat. So very, very cute. You know, I was hurting for supplies, but I think I did pretty good. But how cute would that be together, y'all? Just all of them together. Oh, I kind of want that. I kind of want to keep them. Very tempted. Then we got this cow one. Thought this was pretty cute. All pink cows. This one's pretty long. So this one has all cows on it. And I kind of alternated the textured ones from the, you know, cartoony looking ones and kind of put them together. I thought it was pretty cute together as a keychain. So cow lovers rise up. This is one I made with my little chunky butterflies that I love so much, and I kind of accented it with these little flower petals. Pretty simple, but very chunky and very, very cute. Then, oh y'all, I also have some earrings to show you that I've made as well. I'm dabbling in the earrings too, y'all. I'm all over the place. We doing bracelets, we doing earrings, we doing keychains, we doing it all. Here's a Lisa Frank one. I thought it'd be kind of cute to play on like the Lisa Frank reminds me of my childhood, so I thought it'd be kind of cute to do this one with pony beads. Just because it kind of, you know, what do you call that, kid core or whatever. It just kind of goes back to like a younger aesthetic. So I thought it was pretty cute to use a simpler kitty bead with that, and then another one of those SpongeBob flowers. A little alien. So I really like this one. It's just really cute and has a lot going on with the dingles. There's that one. And then this one, I kind of got like a little pack of like little fruit animals. Thought these were cute. I kind of just put them all together. I did think about kind of making each fruit its own keychain, just with different accents, but in the end I decided these are kind of cute together. Just keep them together. It's kind of cute. So I'm holding it the wrong way. It actually hangs from this way. I think that's a little bunny. Is that a cat, a bear, and then a duck, a little duckling. So that's pretty cute. Thought they were really, really cute together. Little fruit animal keychain. And then last but not least, this was definitely a struggle keychain, y'all. Y'all have seen these star beads. I was so desperate to make a keychain, but I had nothing in yet. And I'm like, I could just make one out of my rainbow stars, out of my gummy stars. So that's what I did. I think this is my first one. This was one of my first ones. I think this one and oh wait, there's more. I didn't even show you. Oh my God, no, there's more. I forgot. Hold on, this video's gonna be a little bit longer before I show you the earrings. But I thought this one was really pretty. This will also go really great with some Lisa Frank. And that'd be cute on here with this one. That'd be like an ultra deluxe keychain, wouldn't it, y'all? Look at all the dingles you get with that one. That's actually really pretty. Oh my God, I might just do that. All my Lisa Frank ones has a star. That looks really good together. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's a premium keychain. I might just put those together. That's really pretty. I forgot I had some more. I already started bagging them up. Completely forgot. There's a few more. So these ones are the true ones I made before I had anything in, y'all. These are my struggle keychains. I was just too excited. This one is just a butterfly with some stars and some white. These I already had. This one, I think I got like my first shipment. This one is the Marita cat, because that's when I started getting these focal beads, the acrylic focal beads, and I just did my little pink stars to accent her, because that's all I had. That's all I had in terms of chunky beads to go with her. So another struggle keychain. This is strawberries. Thankfully, this kind of goes together on its own. It's very cute on its own. I already had all these strawberry beads and these little white ones to go in between. This one turned out super cute. Didn't really need anything else. Very simple, very strawberry. Oh, this one's cute. I'm gonna have to take this one out of the bag. I don't know if it's gonna stand up right. So this one is, I forgot. I always forget what this character's name is. From Hello Kitty. I don't know other names. I'm bad about the Sanrio universe. But the little bunny character and a little maid suit, I thought that was really cute. So I kind of paired it with those black and white splatter hearts, a chunkier heart. I thought that was pretty cute and kind of went cohesively with it. So that's that one. Very cute. And then last but not least, I think, again, my first shipment had came in, but I was still struggling. I added a strawberry shortcake to, of course, my strawberry beads. Why wouldn't I? So that is her. I thought that one turned out really cute too. So if I can get it to lay flat in the bag a little more so you can kind of see the general look of it. But isn't that adorable, y'all? If you do want any of these, just send me an email with a screenshot and description of it, and you absolutely can buy it from me. I'm gonna price these at about $10 and then $5 shipping, okay, in the USA. So if you want any of these, just send me an email, y'all. I'm at beadswithmari@yahoo.com. I'll put it up on the screen. So anything you ever see me show in my videos, you can purchase it. I just want to let you guys know that. I'm gonna start letting you know. So you absolutely may have any of these if you want one. And then next, I'm gonna show you guys my earrings. I'm so excited. I just made these the other day, actually. So these are like acrylic tags. How pretty is that? Somebody gave me one of these from one of my Whatnot hauls. Somebody gave me one as a free gift, and I thought it was so pretty, and I didn't know what to do with it. And I'm like, oh my God, I gotta find a second one. Unfortunately, that seller did not have another one, but I found another one from another seller, and I got it. So now I have earrings. How cute is that, y'all? They look so good. They really remind me of Lisa Frank, and if you look closely, it has texture on it. Like, they're gorgeous. Let me see, get the camera to focus. Hello, camera, please focus. Please focus. I don't know if you guys can see the texture, but and like the embossing on it, it's just so pretty. And it's 3D. It has like some relief on it. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I turned them into earrings. And then what I also made, oh my God, I'm so proud of these, y'all. I love Sailor Moon. I had a really good friend when I was growing up who loved Sailor Moon, so we used to always watch Sailor Moon. So even though I'm not like super into this show, it still has a special place in my heart. I'll always love Sailor Moon. So when I saw these beads, I snatched them up, and look what I did, y'all. How cute is this? These little cute little Sailor Moon kind of like comic book looking pages, and then I made the little chibi Sailor Moon on top. I've actually never made a double piece earring before, so these were really fun, and I'm so proud of how these turned out. How cute is that? You got like a double dangle, 2-piece Sailor Moon earring, but oh my God, so cute. And these two pieces went together so nicely because they both kind of have like this rainbow in them or whatever. So let me get the close-up look for you guys, but so super happy with how these turned out, and I cannot wait to wear them. So So very happy to be back in the earring game again. It's been a while since I made earrings. I will preface, the earrings are not for sale though. These are for me. I'm being shoppers with my earrings, y'all. I love earrings. If you guys can see my earring wall, how many earrings I have. There'll be more in the future, but the earrings are not for sale. These are my babies, but I'll make more in future videos. You'll see what else I make, and those will be available if anybody wants to purchase them. Here's some 2 little Hello Kitty earrings. I thought this was so pretty and so soft looking. I really wanted it to be an earring, but I only had one. So I just found another one in the pack that kind of looks similar, and I think that'll be cute enough as an earring pair. They're not the same, but not every pair of earrings has to look the same, you know. And then last but not least, I have these cute little strawberry hearts. I got a pack of these. I have several of these, so I will be able to make more of these. I have a lot of these, and I have a lot of the little pearl hearts as well. But these are some little strawberry Hello Kitty earrings. I thought they were so cute, and I'm like, I can definitely set aside 2 of these for earrings for myself. If it's pink and cute and has hearts on it, I want it. I want it so badly. But that's what I've been up to. I've just been really busy waiting on my keychain supplies to come in, and more recently I decided to start making earrings too. So y'all, we doing it all. Unfortunately, the bracelet bucket is still looking a little bit sad. I only have 1 bracelet to show. For all this time I've been away since my last bracelet show video, I've just been busy, and my interests, you know, pop around. I still will make bracelets. There will be more bracelets. I guess I can go ahead and show you my one little pittance of a bracelet. So here's my bracelets to show. Oh, I thought this was really pretty. I got these wavy beads from Whatnot, and I accented them with the pink beads I have from a Hobby Lobby bead kit. So, and of course my little butterfly beads I love so much. But that is that. But that's what I've been up. That's what I've been up to, you guys. Making bracelets, making keychains, being busy, and now I'm making earrings. So that's what I'm up to. There will be more coming soon. I have so many, y'all. I have so many of these beads. Like, how cute are these little peach strings? I got these orange slices. Oh my god, I have so much. You guys have no idea. You have a bag of SpongeBob. You have no idea. I got those to go with the SpongeBob flowers. It's gonna be so amazing. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited to make more combinations. Just please bear with me. I have not had time to edit all the videos. I have like 8 videos, y'all, to edit and upload. I just have not had time. This one I can get up faster because it's just kind of a straight show and tell. These are really easy to edit, but my unboxings tend to take a little bit of time to edit just because sometimes I accidentally show some shipping information or something. So I'll have to keep editing that out. It just takes longer to film unboxings, so it's not boring for you guys watching me struggle with packaging and all that. So anyway, this is what I've made so far. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and there'll be more very soon. More unboxings and more creation videos coming very, very soon. Bye.